Okay, so I got some art prepared. I just wanted to show how I do colors and whatever. Okay, so you see that I was clicking on the line art pretty much. And I already, because I wasn't planning to make this a video, I already did the grey part, which is like, you can't see it. But pretty much like you'll see on these ones, the color goes away, it's just the background. So what I do, I leave it as a sketch pretty much. It's easier for me, but yeah, so you do your sketch and then you put the area in grey, or whatever other color, and then change it to grey, and go around to fill in where you want the colors to go. And then here it's really small, but I lock the opacity. So what that does is, see, I'm drawing here, you can't draw outside the lines. Cool! And then you can either draw on that layer, or I'll teach you. You make another layer above it, and then over here, or on whatever program you're on, you use a clipping layer. So you clip it on to the top. So then I'm on the layer that has nothing on it, and still I can only draw inside the lines. Anyway, what I want to do is make these sketch lines, turn them to soft light. It should be called the same thing in every program, but what that does is something fancy. I don't know. I don't know how to explain that practically, but whatever color is on top, so the black and the orange and the white, it kind of dictates what color is underneath it in a way. So see how the black lines are still dark and then the white is still a lighter color? Yes! This is looking good! Clear layer. Anyway, so I'll just color really quickly what this character looks like. Okay, and on the skin, I'll just do the skin, I'm not gonna finish it. But what I like to do for my coloring is I go kind of, it is kind of saturated actually. So the base color is a bit saturated, not fully saturated, but like it's close. And then what I like to do for the shadows is go a bit more grey, down this way, because against like a red sort of color, it does the opposite, right? So if you go to grey, it looks a little bit blue. So yeah, I like to do that because it looks good to me. Anyway, so a bit grey. This looks cool too, but I do like to have a bit of color still there. So it really depends on the artwork, or what part you're doing. So here I kind of like that. Another thing that I do is, if you don't want to do color picking, whatever, with the soft light technique, whatever, I just go to the part with the black and then color copy, eyedrop that, right? And then I use that color because once again it'll make the line art darker still. So you can keep on doing that, make it darker. And this is still a bright color because the color we used before is pretty bright. See the difference between my color pick and doing that. So that depends on if you want, you know, whatever color you want. I like to do it both ways. So usually I think underneath the chin I go a bit more grey. So dark and grey here. And then on the actual face, it's like a bit of both, really. So like, I'm starting to be more comfortable with being messy in my process. So if I don't like a color, it's okay to get rid of it and try again. I was notorious for that. Growing up with my art process, not doing that. Anyway, we'll do this really messily. Oh yeah, here I kind of like to add a blush first. So I just do my own color. So I go over here, red, whatever, and lower the opacity a bit. Test it. Yeah, that looks cute. I do it kind of like a saturated color because then you can whoa. You can fix the shadows and it looks cute, isn't it? And then what I do to finish, just gonna do this real quick. I do a pretty bright color, so like along the top line I like to do, maybe not that much, but yeah. Here is what I do for my highlights. I like to, ooh, not that one. Okay, a bit more saturated. Yes. Yes, I like it like really bright. So like that. And here, because it's pink, we want it to be a bit more pink. For that, okay. And then over here we bring out the orange again. Over here we bring out the white again. Oh yeah, another thing I like to do is have the whites of the eyes not be completely white. You cannot see the soft light lines if you do that. It kind of helped me not draw my skin tones too light, and honestly now I have a bit of issue doing lighter skin tones, but anyway. That's neither here nor there. But yeah, like it kind of taught me how to do that and look at colors a bit more deeply. In terms of like shades, whatever this is, from white to black, whatever that is, that's what I mean. But yeah, I'm not gonna finish this. It's just a quick little tutorial. That's what I do. Yay, it's kind of cute. Hang on, let's, oh, not flip. Here. Yay! But yeah, you can mess with the colors a little bit. I like having the lips be juicy. No, shiny. So like it looks like they're wearing something. Sometimes I like to do like a little variation. So it's different color, same color but different. Like you're going a bit more cooler or warmer in the same highlight. That's fun. So yeah, play with the differences between the color shifts. So cold to warm, and play with saturation, so it's like this pretty much, and play with tone. That's the word, tone. So it's really fun to do all of these sort of things in tandem together. So saturation versus desaturation, that's really fun. Depends on what you want to do, what color you want to stand out more. Just play with it, honestly. See what you like doing. You don't have to copy people. If it looks ugly to you, figure out why. figure out why you don't like it, and then try something else, and then it might be fun. That's the part of art that's awesome. You can just do whatever you want, really. Anyway, I hope you liked that, my little tutorial. I'm gonna play Barnyard now. Goodbye. Hey, real quick, this video is sponsored by me. I do commissions, so they're kinda cool. I do these pretty icons in a cartoony style, more rendered style, other stuff. We'll go down, we got some your character his and total drama style, and you can get other ones if you want. We'll look at my portfolio real quickly. Look at this awesome stuff. You can scroll through it. It's link in description. Bye.